Hey, Slaw, DZ, Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to Kurdistani, you know what I'm saying, TV, you know what I'm saying? Another episode, you know what I'm saying? This is, you know what I'm saying, Kurdish, you know what I'm saying, Warrior Empire, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Kurds, you know what I'm saying, from Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? Hey, today we're going to be reacting to the beautiful AZIZI, you know what I'm saying? The song's called ESHQ, you know what I'm saying? Without further ado, let's check out this Kurdish sauce, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Oh, she beautiful. Hey. Ooh. Love the garments. Hell yeah. Well, we got a club vibe. Hey, you could definitely highlight to this, you know what I'm saying? Highlight, get your highlight dance on, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah.
زانم چنده تو من خوش داره منیش وکو تو هتون بدم داره زانم عاشقی ببجنو بالامی دیویس نهنده بجم ده هلبینی
Love the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Love the tempo, the rhythm, the sound, you know what I'm saying? She got a great sound, you know what I'm saying? Love her voice, and she's very pretty, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Zor for vibes. Got that TURBOFOLK sound, you know what I'm saying? That instrument playing is fire, you know what I'm saying? I'm loving that black outfit she got on, you know what I'm saying? Especially the glittery black top she got on, you know what I'm saying? And one of the other scenes, very pretty.
زانم چنده تو من خوش داره منیش وکو تو هتون بدم داره زانم عاشقی ببجنو بالامی دیویس نهنده بجم ده هلبینی
How they just let the beat breathe, you know what I'm saying? This is definitely like a highlight dance song. You can definitely highlight dance to this, you know what I'm saying? I'm learning the highlight dance, you know what I'm saying? I should try it out, you know what I'm saying? Should I try it out? Yeah, let's try it. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see if I do it right, because I'm tall. What the hell I was doing. I ain't got enough space, you know what I'm saying, to actually do it correctly, you know what I'm saying? But you're supposed to go to the right and start with your right foot, right, left, right, and then kick with your left, and then your right, and then do it all over again. You know what I'm saying? You go hold your hand, you go hold, if you with a group, you go hold hands, put your hands on each other's shoulders, like you be seeing. Excuse me.
وارم دقرم خوشار لنيو باوش الداب مرم او هم خوش دوي وهم خوش دوي اشتاكو لامي قلبوتو تندبي لازانم چندا تو من خوش دوي منيش وكوتو هتوم بدل دوي لازانم عاشقي بجنو بالامي ديبيس نهين دا بجم دا هالبيني
I don't know what the hell I call myself doing. You know what I'm saying? Well, I hope I made y'all laugh, because that was the worst ever. You know when you try to do something and you, like I was doing it, but I never did it with the beat, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But practice make perfect, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I will be practicing that highlight dance. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. This is a dope, amazing song. I definitely enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? You can definitely get your dance on to this. You know what I'm saying? Club vibe, you know what I'm saying? Kurdish style, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Miss, what's her name again? AZIZI, you know what I'm saying? The song's called ESHQ, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you go check out this music video, you know what I'm saying? On Babylon Tube, you know what I'm saying? You got gang with the gang. This is Kurdish Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys in the next Kurdish reaction video. This is the Kurdish Royal Empire, BZ Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying?